is actually getting more and more complicated. Okay, as there are more health issues. There are new disease coming up every day. Safety issues is also a concern. A lot of things are happening. I think companies, as I mentioned, they should also look after their employees' well-being beforehand. Okay, the planning portion is very important. Okay, instead of if they get sick, you take care of them. That's fine, but people are the assets, as I mentioned before. But people, if they are well, if they look out for things that could happen to them and prevent it, then the company's asset is protected. So I would like to encourage companies to work with companies like us or others, whoever the companies are, to plan ahead on possible happenings. Okay, do the assessment. Okay, for example, in their office there may be things that could go wrong. In the remote locations, things could go wrong. Do the proper assessments so that when their employee gets to a certain location or works in a certain location, they are safe. Okay, so I cannot emphasize enough, the preventive is the one that really saves the company money, effort, okay, and also takes care of the people, satisfy the duty of care elements, of the social responsibility. Principle number one, companies or employers should be aware of their legal and social responsibilities in the health, in the safety area of their employees. Besides, after the awareness, they should do an assessment. Assess, okay, the place that they're working or the places where the employees are traveling to are safe in terms of health issues and safety issues. So that's assessment. The third is really to demonstrate. The fact that the employer, the company, is trying to help the employee by, let's say, by educating the employee or by making sure that before they go somewhere, they did enough research to find out exactly that when the employee gets there, it's safe and sound. Okay. The fourth is monitoring. Okay, to monitor the situations, because situations does change. Okay, today may be different from tomorrow. They need to monitor, wherever their employees are, whatever location they are, they should be able to know exactly where they are, whether they're healthy or not. The fifth is very important. Is the employer's continuous support and assist the employees wherever they are. If something happens, they will provide a readily available international SOS. Been a specialist in medical and security assistance for expats and travelers. We offer membership service to corporations. For corporations that cares about the duty of care for their employees, we are truly focused in getting them to assist their employees properly. How do we do that? For example, we have alarm centers where they could, their expats or their travelers can call into our center 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we have doctors that's right there and then to help them answer questions, or we have security specialists in the background to help them. I talked a little bit about how companies should also look at proactive or preventive means. For example, before their employee travels, they should call us to find out what is the condition of the place that they're supposed to go to, okay, in terms of safety. What kind of vaccination they should take before they get there, right, to avoid health issues. And when they get there, if something does happen, they know they have a number they could call immediately, and there are doctors and there are security specialists in the back to help them answer their questions. And of course, if something really, critical happens, we could always, fly them back to their home countries or wherever that the closest medical or security places that we could help them with. So, it's an end-to-end solution, okay, from a proactive one, right, to a reactive, which is, really getting them to get well. We track from the beginning, the call comes in, to the end, when the patient gets well and he or she could literally go back to. This is facilitated by a very good IT system that International SOS has developed internally. The other things that I think is facilitated by IT is really for example, throughout the years, we developed things like the online trackers, online alert systems, or even a system where if you have a BlackBerry, if you're a traveler and you carry a BlackBerry, you could basically, everywhere you go, you will get alerts. You could, call the alarm center or something. Today, I hope the companies need to understand people are their assets, and to take care of the people, they need not just to, help them after something happens. I think, the companies needs to be quite proactive in providing preventive means for them not to get sick, not to, run into something that's unexpected. And it is part of their duties to help their expats and travelers in understanding that.